Hey there. Hey, I'm naked. But today I'm gonna show you exactly how I caught this trade. Freaking, I called this out like yesterday. I can't even lie. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew it. I'm gonna tell you exactly why I took this trade. Why I took it pre-market. And to be honest with you, I didn't anticipate this. I thought we were gonna move up during market open, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna clear my charts and I'm gonna tell you everything that freaking happened. All right. So what did I notice? So the first thing I noticed is if I hop onto the 15 minutes, there was a buy side liquidity right here that we were coming to. Right? There was a buy side liquidity here. Sell side liquidity that we were coming to. And there was also a very prominent buy side liquidity here, as well as there. So there's a bunch of liquidity. That was kind of my reasoning. I thought, to be honest with you, I thought we were gonna come take out this buy side liquidity there in New York because it's just too perfect. But I'm assuming like we're doing that later on. We're starting to make a move up. I doubt this is a kind of like a retracement. This looks more like a fucking trend. So I think we're gonna go up and take out the buy side liquidities. But yeah, I was like, oh shoot, okay, like, right? It looks like we're about to make a crazy move. And also, I noticed that during, not London. Okay, so London session we did fuck nothing, but near like 6ish, 7ish, yeah, we kind of took out this order block right here. We kind of hit this, tapped into this order block, and yeah, let me just mark it out for you guys. And look, we started moving down, right? And I see this move, and this is the reason why I traded before market session. I'm like, look, 100%, 99%. I was 99% confident that we're going to take the sell side liquidity. So might as well take the trade, right? It doesn't hurt to take a easy trade, a very predictable trade, and just pocket the money. It doesn't hurt, right? Keep in mind, I think there was also an SMT right here. I think, yeah, it was this. This was the SMT, I believe. Wait, let me check. Yeah, where the fuck? Yeah, you see this? It was a high, that was a lower low, but on NQ, that was a higher high. So that turned into an SMT. So it was obvious we're about to start going down. We were about to go down like crazy, right? So what else do I notice? So what I notice is we're entering a macro. 850. Where's 850? Right here. And 910. This is the macro. And during the macro, if we hop onto the 3-minute chart, there was a 3-minute order block right here. So you could have entered out the 3-minute order block. That's all fine and dandy. But I kind of missed that. I missed it. So what I did is I waited for the consequent encroachment of that 3-minute block right here. And you'll see something amazing right now. So look, we freaking started moving right off the consequent encroachment of the 3-minute block. This was my entry. So let me just annotate everything for you guys. So right here, that was my entry. Not yeah, the consequent encroachment of it, but also if we look at the 1-minute, we're also within a 1-minute order block. So either or would have been a good entry. And I don't enter right away. I kind of saw that we were waking down, and as soon as we started forming the black, I entered. I put my stops right here, and that's my TP. Boom. Also, this was my TP1, and I also moved stops to break even. So why am I marking it out like this? So what I happen to notice is that lately, whenever we go into something like this, like whenever we sweep buy side liquidity, for example, sell side liquidity, and we retrace back into it, sometimes the sweep in itself, or what would have been a sweep, just kind of acts like a resistance zone. So I kind of just marked it out fully, and as you can see, it kind of like starts deviating off it, as well as we were also within this fair value gap right here, kind of reacted off it. And I think we could also consider this as a breaker block right here. So this would have been another entry. That would have been a pixel perfect entry as well. So if I mark that out, so breaker block, a fair value gap right there. So what do we see happen? Oh, and keep in mind there was also an SMT right here, kind of strengthening the position in itself. This is an A+ setup. This is like probably the best setup I've had this month, right? This is such a perfect setup. We were continuing the morning's move. And of course, we're about to take out the buy side liquidity. Look at that. Pixel perfect entry off that, let's say even 1 minute order block, you could have entered off it. Or even this consequent encroachment. Keep in mind, there's so much stuff showing us that we're going to go down. First of all, obvious draw on liquidity, right? Obvious draw on liquidity. A bunch of inverse fair value gaps. Like literally like a BPR, right? So, like this is a BPR. We enter off a BPR. SMT, move down. Look at that. We're taking out a bunch of fair value gaps. We're inversing a bunch of them. Took out, we freaking like took out this liquidity, buy side liquidity. We ran, I mean sell side. I don't know why I keep confusing it. We ran through the sell side liquidity, used as a resistance zone. We came back up at a certain point, respected this fair value gap, literally touched, pixel perfect touch on the breaker block, shot down the fair value gap. I mean to the sell side liquidity. And to be honest with you, I had no idea it was gonna keep going down. But now if I actually zoomed out, a bit, kind of didn't stay too locked in on that one time frame, we could see like, bro, look at that. We came into this order block that was being respected in the past. So I feel like possibly depending on how we react off that 1 hour fair value gap, if we disrespect this 1 hour fair value gap, I'm assuming we're about to take out the all-time highs. We're about to take out all-time highs if we disrespect that fair value gap, right? If we just run past it, we're most likely are going to enter a market maker buy model, something like that, like on the 15 minutes ish. We're entering a market maker buy model. Either we're going to take out these highs or just fully go for that all-time high right there. But yeah, this was a really perfect trade. Let's even see if there's SMT. Oh, no, there's no SMT. But yeah, it's a really nice entry. Really beautiful move. And yeah, hop onto my Discord. I have a free Discord link in description. I keep this towards the end because I don't want people that are not serious to join. I keep it towards the end. Wait, let me, how can I show you everything? Oh yeah, right here. So this is the all right, forget about this. We kind of fuck around sometimes, but usually we talk about trading. We make a bunch of bread together. You know, I call out trades too. See, this is the trade I was taking midway. I called it out. But yeah, it's a really nice Discord server, really nice community. We hop on fucking at night, we hop on together, we trade Asian session. Usually when I don't have school in the morning, because again I go to school. We also trade New York session together. Everything, we do everything together. Look at that. Drop some profits. You already know. It's fun. We like teach each other everything. It's just a really good community overall. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, smash subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.